Imagine the vibrant streets of Mumbai, bustling not just with the incessant chatter of its ever-energetic populace, but also saturated with the tantalizing aromas of freshly fried samosas and steaming cups of masala chai. Here, food is more than sustenance. It's a narrative woven through countless generations, each adding its own thread of spices and flavors to the rich tapestry. Every bite, from the simplest street snack to the most elaborate feast, tells a story of regions and religions, of traditions and innovations. As we embark on this culinary journey, prepare to be entranced by India's diverse palette of flavors, where the past and present deliciously converge at every corner. The Indian love affair with spices is centuries old, deeply embedded within every regional cuisine. From the fiery chilies of the south to the aromatic cardamom grown in Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, and Andaman Islands, spices are the soul of Indian dishes. Each spice, be it turmeric known for its vibrant hue and medicinal properties, or asafoetida, with its distinct pungency, plays a pivotal role in crafting the complex flavors that Indian cuisine is celebrated for. Walking through an Indian spice market is akin to a sensory expedition. The colors, smells, and textures are all overwhelming yet inviting, telling tales of ancient trade routes that introduce these treasures to the world. Understanding spices is akin to deciphering a dialect. It is the language of Indian cooking spoken through the use of mustard seeds crackling in hot oil, cumin marrying with onions, or saffron gently lending its golden touch to a bed of rice. There's an unspoken rule in India: to truly know a place, you must sample its street food. Street food in India varies dramatically from region to region, but always reflects the local lifestyle, climate, and culture. In the narrow lanes of Delhi, the smoky aroma of kebabs mingles with the sweetness of jalebi, while in Kolkata, puchkas and kathi rolls dominate the street food scene. The preparation of chaat, arguably India's most beloved street food conglomerate, is an art that demands nimbleness and rhythm, which can captivate any onlooker with its spectacle. These offerings are not only delectable, but they resonate with the collective memory and identity of the people who inhabit these vibrant cities, painting an edible portrait of their historical and socio-economic landscapes. Indian home cooking reveals a spectrum of culinary diversity that could take a lifetime to fully explore. From the hearty, meaty cuisines of the north, featuring dishes like Rogan Josh, to the predominantly sea-based diet of the coastal regions with their coconut-rich curries, the home kitchen in India is where these age-old recipes and secrets are guarded and passed down through generations. Here, a mother teaches her daughter how to balance the spices for the perfect biryani, a dish that is as much about patience and precision as it is about rice and meat. This personal connection to food is what makes every homemade dish unique and imbued with love and tradition, creating a direct line to the heart of Indian culture, where meals are often an affair that brings the whole family together. A feast for the senses, celebratory foods, and festival dishes. In India, each festival boasts its own array of special dishes that are as vibrant as the celebrations themselves. Diwali, the festival of lights, sees homes filled with the sweetness of laddus and the crunchy savories of chaklis. During Eid, the air is heavy with the scent of simmering biryani and the rose-infused delight of faluda. Preparations for these meals are often communal, strengthening bonds and reinforcing community and familial ties through the shared joy of cooking and eating. This strong cultural tethering of food not only amplifies the festive mood, but also serves as a reminder of the historical and spiritual significances that these recipes carry, acting as a vessel for cultural transmission and celebration. the art of Indian sweets diversity in dessert. No understanding of Indian cuisine can be completed without delving into the sweet confections. Indian sweets or mithai are integral to the culture, consumed during meals, as snacks, or as a solo treat. Ranging from syrupy gulab jamuns to sophisticated saffron-laced kheer, these sweets are as diverse as the subcontinent itself. Their preparation is often an elaborate affair involving precise ingredients and methods, which have been perfected over generations. Innovation and fusion modern twists on traditional dishes. As global influences seep into the subcontinent, chefs across India are reimagining traditional recipes with contemporary twists, creating a fusion cuisine that respects heritage while embracing modernity. In cosmopolitan cities like Mumbai and Bangalore, you can find traditional dishes like pav bhaji, transformed with exotic truffle oil, or a classic dosa filled with unconventional blue cheese and spinach. Here, we see a bowl of a reimagined version of achaat, Indian pickle, using molecular gastronomy techniques to turn it into a gel that accompanies a grilled lamb chop. This blending of the old and the new not only caters to the evolving Indian palate, but also attracts a global audience, eager to experience these innovative culinary creations. It's a bold testament to the dynamic and evolving nature of Indian cuisine, reflecting a society that is rooted yet forward-moving. The role of beverages, from chai to sharbat. Drinks in India are not just refreshments but are integral to the cuisine and culture. Chai, perhaps the most ubiquitous beverage, is a daily ritual and a gesture of hospitality across households and street corners. Similarly, lassi, a yogurt-based drink, varies from sweet to savory and from plain to richly adorned with fruits and nuts depending on the region. The preparation of masala chai, with its aromatic spices and ginger, offers a comforting warmth that is cherished on rainy days and cool mornings. Seasonal beverages like panna, made from raw mangoes, serve as delicious antidotes to the scorching summer heat, while the rose-flavored sharbat provides a refreshing respite during festive occasions. These drinks not only quench thirst but also weave themselves into the fabric of daily life, marking seasons and celebrations. Regional specialties, North versus South. The culinary divide between North and South India is profound, with each region boasting distinct ingredients, cooking techniques, and aesthetic sensibilities. Northern cuisine is characterized by its use of dairy, including paneer and ghee, and hearty, slow-cooked meats. Dishes such as butter chicken and naan bread are global representatives of this region. Conversely, southern India offers a brilliant array of vegetarian fare thanks to the tropical climate that supports the growth of an abundance of vegetables, lentils, and rice. Meals are often served on banana leaves and include a variety of chutneys and spices that highlight the region's extensive coastline and tropical flavors. This diversity not only points to the variety of crops and climate, but also reflects the historical influences that have shaped these cuisines over millennia, from ancient local traditions to foreign invasions. Vegetarianism in India is deeply rooted in the philosophical and religious traditions of Hinduism, Buddhism, and Jainism, which see non-violence as a vital ethical stance. This has led to a rich tradition of vegetarian cooking that is unrivaled in its diversity and innovation. From the spiced potato fillings of masala dosa to the paneer cubes in palak paneer, vegetarian dishes are created with such variety and richness that they hold their own against any meat-based dish. In recent years, this tradition has gained global attention as vegetarianism becomes more popular worldwide, showcasing how a diet based on vegetables and grains can be both nutritious and flavorful. The evolution of India's dining scene now includes an array of fine dining establishments that are on par with the world's best. Cities like Delhi, Mumbai, and Bengaluru are now homes to restaurants that not only showcase regional Indian cooking, but also bring global culinary trends to the local audience. These establishments often feature locally sourced ingredients prepared with international techniques, offering a gourmet experience that highlights the sophistication of Indian cuisine. The rise of these dining venues marks a new chapter in the culinary history of India, where the richness of its flavors is celebrated not just in the homes and streets, but in the plush interiors of its luxury restaurants. Culinary tourism in India offers an immersive way to understand and participate in the cultural and gastronomic richness of the country. From spice plantation tours in Kerala to street food walks in Old Delhi, these experiences allow travelers to taste and learn about the diverse culinary practices across the regions. Guided by locals, tourists get to explore the authentic flavors and stories behind the dishes, making each meal a deeper dive into the heart of Indian culture. This form of tourism not only boosts the local economy but also fosters a greater appreciation of India's culinary heritage, promoting a sustainable interaction between the visitor and the locale. Through the bustling streets lined with vendors, the warm kitchens of family homes, and the elegant dining rooms of fine restaurants, this journey across India reveals a landscape where food is both a celebration of life and a sacred art. The flavors of India, from the simplest cup of chai to the most elaborate gourmet feast, offer a gateway to the soul of this diverse country, inviting all who wish to explore it to sit at its table and feast. So we've covered a lot about Indian food, and I hope you learned something new. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this. Learning is a never-ending journey of possibility. It just takes curiosity, which sparks questions and finally answers. Thanks for watching.